Wear the safety shoes. Wear the workshop jacket. Wear the goggles. This is the safety attire in workshop. Turn on the grinding machine. This is toolbit. It has 2 points. I have choose this one as the reference point. Grind the right side of the reference point. The side rack angle is 15 degrees. We have finished this side. Next, we will grind this side. If hot, we can dip in coolant. The grind side must be at the top. Tilt a little. The side relief angle is 6 degrees. It has diamond shape. Next, we will grind the front side. The end clearance angle is 8 degrees. We have sharp point. We make a little curve. The tool bit is ready to be used. Turn off the grinding machine.